Starting around 17 walk 2024 pretty smooth love potion in every practical sense, is exchanging at $6 in term of its erst rate with the value change of 154% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. This LP really has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $249,886,842 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 34 to 69,789, which basically is genuinely critical. This really makes truly smooth love potion SLP truly positioning at 283 in the digital currency market in a fundamentally large manner. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the very smooth love potion cost expectation end of 2024, what will smooth love potion in a real sense be really worth in 2024, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking? Is for the most part smooth love potion a very wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large significant manner? Will SLP cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which essentially is very critical? These are our for the most part smooth love potion cost expectations for SLP's future in a truly significant manner. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation 2024 as per the especially smooth love potion estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost by and large is supposed to basically cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.85, the normal sort of least value worth of smooth love potion toward the finish of the really current year ought to especially be $2, which essentially is genuinely critical. Besides, SLP can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $1, which in every practical sense is very huge. Smooth love potion value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of especially smooth love potion generally is supposed to really be at around a genuinely least of $6 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love potion cost can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $69 with the by and large normal cost of $67 in SD, which especially is genuinely huge. Smooth love potion value expectation April 2024. The cost of especially smooth love potion is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at any rate worth of $67 in April 2024 in an exceptionally significant way. The SLP cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme worth of $72 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $269 all through 2024 in an exceptionally huge manner. Smooth love potion value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the very greatest cost for genuinely smooth love potion could in every way that really matters stretch around $1.75, which essentially is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of SLP in May 2024 basically is $69 with a typical cost of $0.71. Truly further appearance how SLP fundamentally has an all-out market cap of $249,886,842 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of 34,469,789 in an especially significant manner. SLP value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of pretty smooth love potion truly is estimated to sort of be at around a truly least worth of $7. So sort of smooth love potion cost can in a real sense arrive at an extremely limit of $69 with a truly normal cost of $67 in USD, or so they basically thought. The truly smooth love potion value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $79 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $74 in USD, which explicitly is very huge. SLP value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of exceptionally smooth love potion, especially is gauged to be at around a by and large least worth of $72 in an unpretentious manner. The really smooth love potion value worth can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $72 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $75 in an unpretentious way. Smooth love potion SLP value gauge August 2024. The kind of smooth love potion SLP cost for August 2024 may truly arrive at least worth of $0.73, while the truly most extreme gauge cost fundamentally is around $0.85 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly normal cost for SLP really is in a real sense anticipated to fundamentally reach $0.77 in August 2024, which by and large is very critical. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation September 2024. The cost for essentially smooth love potion in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $-76 and $-88 in an unpretentious manner. while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $79, which generally is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Potion Value Gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of genuinely smooth love potion explicitly is supposed to generally be at around a sort of least of $77, exhibiting that smooth love potion value figure Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of certainly smooth love potion really is supposed to, in every practical sense, be at around a truly least of $62, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Smooth love potion cost can essentially arrive at a, for the most part, limit of $92 with the sort of typical cost of $USD, or so they really thought. Smooth love potion SLP value figure November 2024. The especially smooth love potion SLP cost for November 2024 may arrive at a truly least worth of $9, while the truly greatest determined cost generally is around $96 in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal cost for SLP by and large is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach $3 in November 2024, which all things considered is very huge. SLP value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of truly smooth love potion explicitly is estimated to by and large be at around a sort of least worth of $82, showing how, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $79 in a really significant manner, the sort of smooth love potion value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $, with a typical exchanging worth of $85 in USD, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love potion for the most part past cost. Examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The by and large smooth love potion's cost for the most part has shown a by and large great increment of 297% in the truly most recent 24 hours in a huge manner. Smooth love potion certainly is confronting and in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, which essentially is very huge. The SLP in a real sense is down to nearly 11% in the essentially most recent 7 days, which by and large is genuinely huge. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense present moment, showing how all things considered smooth love potion value expectation April 2024. The cost of kind of smooth love potion most certainly is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly reach at least worth of $67 in April 2024, which truly is genuinely huge. Smooth love potion value figure 2024 facts. What will basically be smooth love potion, especially worth in 2024 in a really significant manner. The SLP